What's up, Goofy Gang? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl, Big Lexi, and I am back when I'm back. Today's video is I am going to be installing a wig for the very first time. This is Super B Wigs. I recommend you get Super B Wigs. It will be down in my description below. I actually got this off this girl YouTube because I was watching her do wigs, and she very good. I forgot her name. I would recommend you got to her, but I forgot her name. So let's open this bad boy up and let's see what we got. You know what I mean? Y'all see how my hair is? I'm gonna have to wrap my hair up. Let me show you what they gave me. They gave me a band like this that you can, like, it's a band. In case the other one break, you can, like, they gave me an adjustable band. Like, this, like, if you want to make it a strap, if you want to make it like a headband wig, you can just do this. And then, well, I put it on wrong, but you know, you can just that. Oh, and they give you a scrunchie, and they give you 2 caps, headband, and that's all it's in. So let's open this wig up. You know, see, it's already like a, or I can make just do a headband wig if I don't feel like not doing anything. But yes, this is, I think this is a water wave one. Y'all, feel that body yaddy yaddy. This is so cute. Like, look at it. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, closure. Okay, I'm gonna have to do a little plucking, but I cannot pluck for nothing in this world. So we just gonna see about this. I'm gonna put my hair up in a bun to the back, if it go in a bun to the back. Your girl, she all hair, you know what I'm saying? I ain't got no hair. So I'm gonna put it in a bun like this. Hopefully you can't see. So let's just try to put this on for the first time. Let's see how I look with just nothing. Let's just see how I look. I don't even think if I know. I don't know if I think I know how to put on this wig though. But let's see. Oh shoot! Why y'all didn't tell me to put the wig cap on first? Y'all bogus. Y'all real bogus for that. Y'all could tell me to put the wig cap on first. I just did not care about me. Yeah. But let's see. Y'all see my hair sticking up? It's okay because I'm gonna put it right down with this wig cap on. I know you're supposed to put makeup and everything else on there. I'm gonna still put it on there. I just wanna see how I look without me, you know, without me actually putting it on. Like just putting everything else. See, I can't even put on the wig cap. Look at me. I hope this fit on my head. This gotta fit on my head. Is my head too big? Oh no. Hold on. As you can see, I decided to break my hair down because the wig was like sticking to my real hair, and I'm like, let me just break this down, stop being lazy, y'all. And I had to go to the beauty supply store and get me a deluxe wig cap because the one that it came with, it was not all that. It was slipping off my head, probably because my hair won't braid it down. But you know, I braided it down or whatever. Continue watching and just see this process. And I'm really nervous, guys, because I might fail. I ain't gonna lie. If I do, I'm not doing this never ever again. But my little bald head looking like a little hood rat. As y'all can see, I put the wig up on my head and it's secure. I went ahead and got that E-band, you know what I'm saying, lace school spray, spread it on my head. And I kind of feel like I used a little too much because I sprayed it up there by my braid. But hey, this is my first time. Do not judge me. Do not bash me in these comments because I'm telling you, I will not do it again. Okay, so I am putting this foundation all around my head. This is where I literally messed up bad, y'all. I use a liquid foundation instead of regular foundation. I thought it would be the same thing. But I guess I'm just putting foundation all over my head. Mind you, this is still my first video. I'm just trying to get the feel of things, see if I'm really capable of doing this. I am going to cut my wig cap, and you always want to start off at the middle and work your way down from the side. I recommend you use a razor, but I didn't have a razor, and I was working with them itty bitty scissors, so that was the best I had. So y'all let me know in the comment section below if y'all think I cut off the wig cap a little too much. I think I did, but I'm not sure. But right now I'm just using the Got2b glue to just glue down the cap, just in case like anything, so like it won't like come up or anything when I put the wig on. So I'm just gluing it down. You don't want to use too much because it can get messy. So yeah. The wig is on. Everything looked good so far. I'm using the lace even glue to glue down that closure right there. And I messed up because I had put some of the glue in my hair, and let me tell you, that was not a good result because it did get hard in the end. But I was looking like, why is it hard? Duh, I put lace in my head. So yeah, it looked good right now. So far so good. But you want to make sure that you dry your hair before you just put a cap on your head or just tie it down, because you want to make sure that it's dry and not just putting it on otherwise wet. And you should wrap this around for let this sit for about 15 minutes so that you can make sure that it really like stick and lay down. I don't know why I put that around my head. I should have put it around my head and not over my head, but you just use the high comb so that it will just look more efficient and just look more straight, so it won't just look like raggedy. So I'm using a high comb. I'm just straightening it through the high comb to just give it that look that it needs. So I am using, I'm melting down this wig with this edge boosters. I am just making sure that it is flat, and then I'm going to go with the high comb and make sure that it is very, very flat. Because, we go for, like, you want to make sure that it is flat, this install or whatever you call it. I don't think I did a good install, but you want to make sure that it is real flat. You don't want to be having no bumpy, no erps, no curves, no nothing. See, this is where I messed up at. I ain't had no flat iron. I ain't even know how to do edges or anything like that. I'm thinking I did a clean install, and it really wasn't. Like, I really need help. Your girl out here bad, but I just do the for you. I did this video for y'all. I embarrassed myself for y'all. So stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel. Make sure you turn on post notifications so you can notice every time I post a what? Every time I post a video. Peace.